Hi guys, so after a long day, I looked really tired. I wanted to share a easy skincare which I do when I'm very lazy. So the first thing is using micellar water. This is from Garnier and I use it whenever I'm wearing a good heavy makeup. Okay, just take little. So now after removing all my makeup, I am using this coconut oil as well as mixed with little bit of olive oil, and this is coffee beans which I had grinded, okay, with sugar. And this is the scrubber, which homemade scrubber which I use. As you know, coffee contains caffeine which helps to tighten your skin, and it really helps a lot, like your skin to rejuvenate and to feel fresh. This is the best scrubber that I've come across, and I do it like once in a week, which I go for only home remedies to make my skin glow. Okay. So one thing you have to take care that you be little gentle, since my skin is not too sensitive. So, and I'm used to this skincare routine. If your skin is sensitive, so make sure that you be little gentle onto your skin, because these are thick granules like the pokey ones. They're not very soft or gentle as compared to those you get outside, the scrubber which you get outside. Okay, but it helps to remove all your dirt, especially if you have dry nose or dry T-zone. Just massage it in circular motion, upward direction, and also make sure that you massage your under eye area, because this caffeine helps to fight dark circles also. And even these corners of your lips, because they become cracked, and even your lips a bit after wearing a long lasting lipstick, your lips tend to become dry. Even if you have PCOS and you have facial hair which you have removed from threading, the ingrowth hair will also come out, so you can pluck it up. Caffeine really helps to tighten and glow up your skin the very next day. So I've just rinsed out my face. Now I'm mixing this sandal face pack from Ayur, okay, with a little bit of lemon juice and milk. Okay, mix them together. The milk should be chilled one, because it helps to relax your face. And just apply this face mask. So if you have if you have dry skin, use coconut oil into your scrubber. And if you have oily skin, make sure you use only olive oil. Okay, that helps a lot. Or else you can mix little bit of milk also, like if you have combination skin or sensitive skin. I've used clean hands while applying this. You can use a brush also, but I'm more comfortable in applying with hands. I always take in mind that I apply chilled mask, because it really helps to give that relaxing feeling to your face and giving it soothingness. The heat up, whenever you scrub your face starts tend to exert oil, dirt, and it gets little charged up. So this helps to relax your face a lot, and that's it. I'll keep it for 10 minutes. I will not let it dry completely, semi dry, and then rinse off my face. So Chandan really helps a lot, and it's a very good mask. You can also use Multani Mitti instead of Chandan, okay? And these are the two options, like, or else you can use oats powder, or else you can also go for gram flour powder. These all elements help to remove tanning from your face, and it gives the very good glow the next day, okay? And it removes all the dirt completely from your face. Now after removing the face pack, I have taken some ice into this cloth or towel, okay, and just dabbing onto my face, so that it feels little relaxed and good during the summer. It really helps. the very next day. These all steps helps a lot. It helps to relax your face, cool down your face, and even helps to fight tanning a bit if you do it on regular basis. This is the most affordable, I would say, the skincare routine. Do this for at least 6 to 7 minutes, and do not rub ice directly onto your face, because your body cannot take that sudden temperature. It's very good to wrap it into a towel and then dab onto your face. This also helps onto your pimple area. Like I have a small pimple coming here to it, so it helps it to cool down. Now after this, the last step is my moisturizer. Now this is the Palmer's cocoa butter cream which I use. I'm going to review it soon. So this is the cream which I use for dry skin, or else the wheat germ one. Okay, just take very little because it's too heavy. I'm taking a little bit of that ice, like ice water. Massage your skin always in upward direction. Okay, it helps to tighten the skin. It helps to improve your blood circulation. Plus it helps to give you a very good sleep. This helps to warm your cream and be more effective. And that's it. This is the most easy and very effective skincare which I follow. You will see a good glow onto your skin the very next day, and I hope you enjoyed this. So be there with us, follow us on Instagram, and be a part of Little Curves on YouTube also. Good night, bye.